Hi everyone, welcome to segment 4. Again, just a reminder, if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please come over to the activity feed and jump into there and write anything and reply to others if you want as well. The last thing we're going to look at is the writing portion, and I purposely kind of kept this till the end. The features for writing are kind of specific, so I wanted to just focus on them on their own. So click on Doc for using Talk and Type. A new tab's going to open, make a copy, and that document's going to open. I just put a few things in here and for you to play with. But basically, you're in a doc, you're clicking on your puzzle piece up here at the top, and your read and write options are going to pop up. So you're very familiar with these. We've looked at these through several different platforms. You know how to use a lot of this stuff. But having it talk and type for you is a little different. So the number one, you should always have the students using a headset when they're doing this. It'll still work just with a computer microphone, but if there's a lot of noise in background, it might not work as well. So headphones are always great if you have a lot of people in the class. If the student's on their own or have a quiet area, it'll work with the computer mic itself. And it's actually quite simple. The talk and type's right here. You'll just press talk and type. It's going to come up and then start just typing out whatever you're saying. It might take a little bit of time for students to get used to it or to feel comfortable using it, but they can pause, start, all that kind of stuff, and it basically just does what you're saying. There are a list of commands that students should know when doing voice typing, like you have to say period, comma, exclamation point, question mark, and so on. So I'll post a link to this voice typing guide in the other area, but you can practice a little bit of that. I went to the mall today, period. It was really boring, exclamation point. So there are different commands that students can learn, and as they get more comfortable, learn those commands to help them work with talk and type. So again, best thing to do, play around, mess around with talk and type, set your language, you can change it to whatever you want, play with it, it's a lot of fun. Try it out, test it out, and record. If you have a headphones, that'll work best, but if you're kind of somewhere on your own and you don't feel too silly talking to your computer, go right ahead and use your computer mic because it'll work as well. You might have to allow a few settings and things like that once you press talk and type, but you should be good to go. Head back to the course, click on talk and type, take a look at the document and practice and play. It should be working pretty well for you. Enjoy.